People place a significant amount of trust into us to come into their home and begin a project like popcorn removal, which is traditionally known as being a very messy job. It takes a lot of trust, and we honor that trust by treating their home as if it were our own. We go to great lengths to protect everything on the job, from the ceilings down to the floors. We protect the walls, we cover the floors, we cover the furniture, we protect and bag the ceiling fans and can lights. We just want to make sure it's a good, clean job. Our patented Clean Strip messless popcorn removal system certainly helps us keep the job site clean, as it captures and contains 99% of the debris removed from the ceiling. Drywall repair is pretty typical. We'll find busted tape joints and exposed nail heads or screw heads, loose fasteners. We go through every square foot of the ceiling space we're working on and make sure all of that is mechanically secure and aesthetically correct. Once the popcorn's been removed and ceilings are properly prepared, we offer a variety of finishes. The most common is a knockdown. However, we do offer slick and smooth finish ceilings as well as orange peel and specialty textures. Once the texture has been applied, we then remove all the plastic, we sweep, we mop, and then allow the texture to dry overnight before coming in the morning to do our finished painting. On the final day of the project, we hand apply our ceiling finishes, typically with the use of 18-inch rollers. Hand applying our ceiling paints not only ensures that we get a full-bodied uniform finish, but it also helps us to avoid the potential catastrophe that can be caused with the use of spray equipment in a residential dwelling. A typical project can take anywhere from 2 to 3 working days for jobs that are less than 2,000 square feet. They can be done faster, and many of our competitors offer a faster job. However, we take extra steps to ensure that we're not only the cleanest popcorn removal company in town, but we also want to pose as little inconvenience to the homeowner as possible. Sometimes that just means we've got to take a few extra steps, and if that's what it takes, that's what we'll do.